There's been something that has been airing on social media and been promoting at this treat shop where you can get ice cream, which is they're famous for that, and they do it way better, and their machine isn't broken. If you compare it to McDonald's, but what disappoints me is that Dairy Queen is they're trying to use Korean culture and trying to endorse that without giving actual respect to actual Korean food. And now, if you actually want to like focus on making like a good Korean barbecue, yeah. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to make Korean style barbecue and Dairy Queen is like probably the last place you would ever go if you were to actually get Korean barbecue style. Now, while they do sell frozen Korean barbecue stuff and supermarkets near you, because Korean culture had been a big thing. And it's just been like a big trading deal through South Korea and any Korea food trading companies and they're just making these just to get recognition and because people they love the food and that's how you can cook at home. Now that I can respect that because I have tried some myself. I've gone to Loblaws and they do sell Korean barbecue and they actually give like the actual sauce, like the gochujang and the actual mix, and which was close enough to the original one that you can actually make or they sell in Korean supermarkets like H Mart, which H Mart is United States based Asian American grocery store chain, but they generally sell Korean food products and maybe like some Chinese and other products. So the first one was based over in New York City, and then they started making more branches across the United States, and then there's a lot in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And they also have some branches in England, especially London. And all of the workers, they're Koreans. And they work hard, they keep it tidy. They're not like the Chinese grocery stores where it might be dirty. But here's the big mistake when a restaurant chain they try to add like a lot of products to their menu, and I've seen this myself. And Canada's very own Tim Hortons, they tried to add like they originally started off with like coffee and donuts, which was the hockey player Tim Hortons' idea. So he decided to come up with this idea, and then his sister came up with adding muffins, and then Tim Hortons' sister sold the Tim Hortons company the label to United States company that has ties to Wendy's, which it didn't go too well, and now it's sold to RBI, which is a company that owns Tim Hortons, Firehouse Subs, Subway, and Burger King. And the quality has really fallen, and they just added a whole bunch of like smoothies and drink different kind of cappuccinos, and they tried to add like flatbread pizza and other stuff that isn't really their thing, and should be the last place that you should get stuff. And I don't even like their pizza. It tasted like the frozen pizza they sell at grocery stores. So what a good restaurant or in case a cafe in this case, because Dairy Queen is a cafe, you keep your menu very simple. Like you don't go like over the limit. You keep it to like a certain number, and if you're trying to butt in to and try to use someone else's culture just to get recognition, yeah. And my advice as a Korean myself, I highly recommend go to an actual Korean restaurant and try actual, or in case you can access the Korean restaurant, go there. Because if you want the actual experience, that's what you want to get. Because and regarding chicken, what South Korea has is they have like a tangy sauce. It's kind of similar to like what China has with their like Mandarin sauce. What it? And then they have like a gochujang one, which is it's not that spicy, but there's some people they can't even handle like Tabasco. There's like just some Westerners and some like British people who they never grew up eating any kind of spicy food, and then they go on like hot ones, and then they give up just look at what happened to DJ Khaled. But that was also because Khaled, Mohammed Khaled, that's DJ Khaled's real name. Yeah, he ate like a $2 large New York slice. So never go on like an interview show where you're going to be eating food. And gochujang isn't that spicy. It's kind of like basic. We use it for like soups and stews and side dishes. It's only it's like very spicy if you use a lot of it. That is it. That is it. And Koreans, yeah, we don't really eat French fries. That's more like accommodation to some of these visitors from maybe like the United States or Canada or countries that eat French fries, or we call it potato fries because it's made of potato. And some people have left negative reviews when they tried this and said that it was like cooked not very well, and of course those people who have left bad reviews. I think they need to go to like an actual Korean restaurant and have like the great experience, and I hope they do. And I hope their Korean doesn't do something this stupid because if Tim Morton doesn't learn their lesson and they really have, don't add like too many stuff on your menu because something that what is going to be picked most that's what you need to focus on, not something that's like people they don't really choose items off the menu and when it's like something like Korean yeah, stay away. And I'm not trying to gatekeep it's just like marketing a terrible marketing attempt, and they don't even know the proper way to do it. So if you don't know how to properly cook, yeah, take it off the menu. Stop endorsing Asian culture if you don't respect their people.